Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to enable safe mode in WordPress. This is a really useful feature, especially when you're troubleshooting issues with your Elementor designs or when certain plugins might be causing conflicts. Let's jump right in and get this sorted out. First, you'll want to navigate to your WordPress website dashboard and log in. Make sure you're using the correct credentials to access your admin panel. Once you're logged in, you'll see the familiar WordPress dashboard interface where you can manage all aspects of your site. Now, from your dashboard, look for Elementor in the left-hand sidebar menu, click on it, and you'll see a drop-down menu appear with several options. From there, click on Tools. This section houses various utilities and settings that help you manage your Elementor installations and troubleshoot any potential issues. Within the Tools page, you'll notice several tabs at the top. Click on the General tab. This is where you'll find a variety of general settings and maintenance options for Elementor, including the Safe Mode feature we're looking to enable. Scroll down through the General tab until you locate the option labeled Safe Mode. Once you've found it, simply click Enable. Activating Safe Mode is particularly helpful because it temporarily disables all your plugins and themes except for Elementor, allowing you to identify whether a conflict exists without affecting your live site's functionality for visitors. Here's an important step that's easy to overlook. After enabling Safe Mode, don't forget to click Save Changes at the bottom of the page. This ensures that your settings are properly applied and stored. Without saving, the changes you just made won't take effect. And there you have it. You've successfully enabled Safe Mode in WordPress through Elementor, giving yourself a clean environment to troubleshoot any issues you might be experiencing. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.